In today's fast-paced business world, your company's success hinges not just on the strategies you implement, but on the people who bring them to life. Welcome to 3CIR, where we transform potential into excellence. At 3CIR, we specialize in staff development training designed to empower your team with the skills and knowledge they need to excel. Whether you're looking to hone leadership qualities, boost operational efficiency, or foster innovative thinking, we've got you covered. Our bespoke training programs are tailored to meet your unique business needs, ensuring your staff receives the most relevant and impactful education. From dynamic workshops and seminars to cutting-edge e-learning solutions, we make learning accessible, enjoyable, and most importantly, effective. Imagine a workplace where every employee feels valued, equipped, and motivated to contribute to your company's success. That's the transformation we promise at 3CIR. Our goal? Elevate your team's performance, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive your business forward. Don't just take our word for it. Join the businesses that have soared to new heights with 3CIR's staff training programs. Visit us at 3CIR.com to start your journey towards excellence today. Because at 3CIR, we believe in turning potential into performance. Ready to transform your workforce? Click subscribe for more insights and visit our website to get started. Your company's future starts now with 3CIR.